What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Chris here at Cullavalla South Farm. Well, today, guys, I think we are going to try to get some wood split. But first, we have to service a wood splitter, and I'll show you why. Just an update on the chainsaw. We did actually get it back from the repair shop, and it ended up being a clogged lube pump. Chain lube pump was actually clogged. So that's why we're getting all that smoke, as it was just overheating real bad. So hopefully they repaired it. It wasn't that expensive, only like 30 bucks or something for them to fix it up. And we should be good to go. I haven't actually put it in any wood yet. Maybe we'll do that a little bit later today. So we didn't end up buying a new saw. I looked at the prices of them. 500i's are not available around here. I've called everywhere and they're waitlisted. And the 472s or excuse me, the 462s they're up there in price. They're, you know, north of 1,200 bucks. So I was a little hesitant to spend that, you know, being that I already had a big saw, but you know, it was a lot of it depended on how long the saw was going to be down, but it ended up, they were able to fix it pretty much the very next day. So we got the 441 back, and hopefully a little later today, we'll test it out. But first, we need to do some servicing here. So I went to use the wood splitter on Friday and took a look at it, you know, warmed it up a little, and look, see how well you can see that. The hydraulic oil has quite a bit of water in it. It's real milky and nasty looking. So we're gonna change the hydraulic oil out in it. And we're also, while we've got it here in the barn, we're going to change the engine oil in the engine as well, kind of give it the yearly service. We should be able to get like 100 hours or so out of this machine, but that oil is just really milky. I think using it a lot this winter, the condensation built up and it just built up in there and got real milky. So we're gonna change out the oil, get some nice clean hydraulic oil in there, and we're gonna clean out the drain and change, excuse me, the oil in the engine, and we should be good to go. So stay tuned, guys. That's what we're gonna be working on. Oh yeah, she's real milky. Nasty. There's a lot of water in there. Guys, so that should take care of the hydraulic oil. We'll have to add some back. And actually over here, there's a little chart on here that tells you what oil to use. But I think, so I bought the AW32. I think I may actually put this automatic transmission fluid in because it's good to a colder temperature. And we do a lot of splitting in the cold weather. So I'm gonna think about that one for a few minutes. While I'm thinking about that, we will get the oil changed on the motor. Guys, so we're using a AMSOIL synthetic 10W30 to refill the Honda. All right, guys, so we got the hydraulic oil all drained out. We got the engine oil changed, And I think we are actually going to run down and grab some ATF fluid to put in this instead of the hydraulic oil I bought. Just looking at the chart, the ATF definitely has a much wider range, and it's a wider range in the colder areas where we generally use this mostly in the fall and spring and some in the winter. So, you know, for the most part, it's the colder weather. So I think it'd be better off putting that in. So we're gonna head down and grab that, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're back. We got our automatic transmission fluid, so we are going to fill this baby up and then give her a shot. All right, guys, so we got her all filled up, all ready to go, and I'm gonna go up and grab a load of wood in the back of the Can-Am, and we'll come down and we'll split some up and see how it works with the new fluid. All right, guys, so got a load of wood here. We're gonna get the splitter fired up and get this all split up and stacked. anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up that load. We don't have any more yet to split. I'm gonna go down, hopefully maybe this afternoon, and we're gonna cut some rounds down on that big cutoff pile now that we have our big saw back. I mean, we got a decent amount of wood there. Not a ton, but, you know, decent amount. So, anyway, guys, I think that's gonna end this one. We'll be doing a lot more of this firewood in the next few weeks for sure, and I think we're gonna get back into doing some work on the mill too. We're gonna get some trees cut down and get them skidded down to the mill and start getting more pine cut up. So anyway, guys, I think we're gonna end this one here. And like I like to say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. And just remember, it'll be all right.